Vehicle applications. Fit select GMC, Savana 3500, 2500 1500s, Yukon, P3500, K1500, K2500, K3500, K1500, K2500 Suburban, C3500, C2500, C1500, G3500, G2500, C1500, C2500 Suburban, Winnebago, Minnie Ford E3450ths, Minnie GMG 3500, Pontiac Firebird model years. Additional applications. Chevrolet, SSR, Tahoe, P30, K1500, K2500, K3500, K1500, K2500 Suburban, G20, G30, Express 1500, 2500 3500ths, Corvette, Camaro, C2500, C3500, C1500, C2500 Suburban. Easy installation. A seamless DIY replacement that can be completed in minutes. Remove your old filter, replace with FRAM engine filter ensuring it is sealed around the perimeter, replace cover and fasten. Double maximum protection. FRAM automotive replacement engine filter provides 2x the protection compared to standard filters for up to 12,000 miles. Expansive airflow. With a fine filter media, extra guard captures various debris without hampering airflow. Filter attracts dirt like a magnet so that maximum amount of debris stay trapped to prevent entering within the engine. FRAM Extra Guard air filters are your first line of defense preventing damaging road dust and dirt particles from entering your engine. Extra Guard air filters are engineered with an advanced filter media that lets through 2x less dirt than average leading standard retail brands and protects your vehicle's engine up to 2 years or 12,000 miles. Replacing a dirty air filter with a new FRAM Extra Guard air filter can help increase horsepower, acceleration and overall engine performance. Get better protection with ease and install a new FRAM Extra Guard air filter today. Top reviews from the United States. Loyal user of FRAM. Used this brand for decades in all my vehicles. My vehicles get abused with very little maintenance. Found out about 20 years ago that O2 sensors in car will go off with a dirty air filter. Never made the mistake of going for repairs again until I put a new air filter in first. I don't drive that much anymore, but filter gets replaced before every smog check even though it's still clean and car always passes. If she can't breathe, she can't run was something I learned a long time ago.